So now that we've tossed our greens, we're going to sit them back down, let them do their thing. We're going to move on to our next step. So generally you want to take probably about a 4 to 5 ounce scoop of this. So you can do it with your hands. You can do it with tongs if you're super conscious. So I'll just do it with tongs just to be on the safe side. So we're going to take probably about that much is literally the amount for a salad of this quality that you want to give. So we're going to sit that in our bowl. Probably grab like just a little bit more. Just a little bit more for those heavy hitters that really love salad like myself. So this is our next step that we're doing. We have our greens together. Our frisee, red leaf, arugula, radicchio, a little bit of red cabbage in there. So this is our next step. We're going to start lightly adding our ingredients in. One thing I'm going to go with is just a pinch of garlic. Just a pinch. See that? Look. I want you to see that. Just a pinch. Got to add that flavor in there. So we're going to let this hang out for a moment. Let these greens soak up that fresh chopped garlic. The next thing we're going to add to it is our balsamic vinaigrette, right? And we need a spoon to kind of stir this up. Look what we got here. Got a spoon right here. So just a simple stir, right? I'm going to do just like that. I'm going to do 4 of these. Just like that. So I love to toss my greens first in the dressing. Set our balsamic to the side. Hit it back off with our spoon. Just not doing good enough. So now I got to go with the tongs. Got to go with the tongs, baby. So, oh, that smells so good. So good. So we've tossed our field greens, light herb balsamic, super simple, store-bought. You know, the crowd will never know the difference. And we're going to go with our second and final presentation to this.